Most business customers claim that vendor lock-in is a significant risk they want to avoid when migrating to the cloud. Yet, after a decade of cloud transformations, many customers have yet to become multi-cloud, opting for a single cloud hybrid approach. One issue at the heart of their unwillingness to fully embrace multi-cloud has to do with concerns associated with data egress costs. Businesses create data across their IT environment. They require the availability and the constant movement of this data for their production and test environments. While at the same time, they leverage the data for DevOps, data analytics, and creating multiple backups to provide insurance against the rising threat of ransomware. As a result, egress costs can become excessive. Data movement is critical in today's data age. When it comes to data, the cloud providers are programmed to receive, providing free ingress for all data into their environment. However, migrating that data away from the provider is expensive. To meet the challenge and offer customers an alternative, a host of new service providers has arisen that provide customers with like-for-like storage and compute services on platforms that do not charge for customers to access their data. However, moving workloads to these locations introduces new challenges and cloud complexities. Connecting existing workloads to these new platforms while maintaining or improving application performance and the end-user experience is challenging. Current practices necessary to solve this connectivity problem often involve site-to-site VPN services. Implementing VPNs in a scenario like this can be highly complex, creating an N-squared VPN mesh that is problematic to provision and even more so for ongoing operations. Connecting a single site in a one-to-many manner requires a VPN to each location. Making matters worse, each service provider has a VPN service offering of their own. This adds additional complexity both in terms of initial configurations and ongoing operations. As the architecture scales, it is easy to see how this networking and security configuration can become highly problematic. If a customer wants to go even further and lay a network segmentation across this fabric, it is almost an impossible task. The complexity of this VPN architecture alone may be enough reason for some customers to stay the course and continue paying egress fees to the cloud providers. There is now a means to take advantage of multiple cloud environments while reducing your cloud budget without all the connectivity complexity. Introducing 3nets XConnect. XConnect addresses many multi-cloud challenges with a holistic approach that ensures the secure connectivity of IT workloads in any environment. With the click of a mouse, 3nets application gateways are deployed, and connectivity is automated across any environment, simplifying operations and hiding the complexity of securing multi-cloud workloads. XConnect automates workload connectivity over the internet with on-demand provisioning with the click of a mouse. XConnect creates direct connections between edge and remote workload locations, providing efficient connectivity without having to transit a cloud provider or hairpin through a data center. XConnect bypasses cloud-managed VPN services, providing a single management platform across all provider environments with end-to-end connectivity directly into the VPC. XConnect increases end-to-end application visibility for monitoring and troubleshooting from VPC to VPC by providing a unified platform for ongoing operations. Additionally, XConnect lowers egress costs by giving customers the freedom to migrate workloads to best cost providers and thus frees your data by eliminating charges associated with cloud provider egress charges. Finally, XConnect enables network micro-segmentation across all locations, allowing customers to provide additional security between applications and cross-platform communications. By deploying 3nets Cloud Navigator with XConnect, businesses can reduce the long-term fear and unknown business risk of vendor lock-in and migrate to best cost locations without unnecessary complexities. Simplify. Automate. Optimize. 3nets Cloud Navigator. Multi-cloud networking without borders. Contact us at sales@3nets.io.